Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to build a hangman game. So I hope you remember this game from your childhood memory. So this game we used to play a lot in our childhood, and I guess you know how to play this game. In this game, you have to guess the word. So uh, here we have to guess the programming language. Okay. So overall, we have a six guess left out of six, and if you give any wrong letter, then the guess is going to reduce. Okay. So let's start guessing the programming language. So it's wrong. So what is this one? Python. Yep, I think it's Python only. Yeah, it's a Python. So let's type all the letter Python. So we have won the game. Then after that, we have option to restart. And if you give all the answer incorrect, all the guesses incorrect, so the guy will die here. Actually, it's going to hang if your all guess is wrong. So we got the message. Better luck next time, and we got the answer also. And this guy is got hanged. So this is the like human structure. Okay. So for this, I have used images. Okay. So I will provide all the images and the CSS file related to this project. Okay. So before jumping to the VS Code, if you haven't subscribed this channel, then please subscribe this channel to get more awesome project on React.js. Okay. So let's jump into the VS Code. So guys, as you can see that I have created a React project. So npx. So you have to use the command npx create React app. So I have given the project name Hangman, so you can give that Hangman. And once it's the installation done, like all dependency, so once it's done, then you have to go to the folder name. The folder name, I mean the folder name which you have given at the time of project creation. Okay, you have to give that name, and you have to do the npm start. Okay. So I hope you know this basic setup, how to create a project using the command npm create React app. Okay. So once it's done, so already I have some files here. So random word. So random word basically is containing some random programming language. So I will provide all these files. So I will provide a random word file. I will provide the CSS file. Also I will provide the app.css file and the images. Okay, so you can check the link in the description. I will provide all this resource in the GitHub repository. Okay, so you can start and download. And once you have done the downloading from the repository, you have to place this way. Okay, so image, we have around 7 image, and everything will be basically under the source folder. Okay, so I hope you have done all that thing. Okay, so now we will create a file. Okay, so in this tutorial I am going to basically use the like class based component. So here I will be using only class based component. So first I will import the React, and I hope you know the class based component. I will close this one, this is not necessary. Then I will import the random word. from that file, which contains the around 20 different programming language. So I will import the random word, and then I will import the image. So image 0 from image 0.jpg. So we have 7 image, so I will give a numbering like this. 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so we got the numbering. Now let's start writing our class component. So hangman extend component. I will export this component, and I will provide default prop. So in class base we provide the default prop like this way. So the first is like max wrong. Okay, like how many user can give wrong. So I have given 6 guesses. Okay, and we are going to initialize the image hour. Okay, so image 1, image 2, like this. I will give image 4, image 5, image 6. Okay, so this is the default props we have given. Now we are going to define the state. So a state we define in the class based component like constructor. Inside the constructor we define the initial state super props, then this dot state, and we will have some state number of wrong. Then we will having a guessed new set, then answer. So we have defined our initial state. Now we will define some function here, handler basically. So reset will be there, means once you lose the game or win the game, we have this option to restart the game. So in order to restart the game we need to set the initial state. So I'll just copy this one. So this is the same state we have to set here. Okay, now we will having another method which is going to guess the word. Okay, so this will return this dot state dot answer. So answer, then split. So we are going to split, then we are going to use map letter this dot state dot guessed not has letter. Okay, so if the letter is there, so we will show that letter, else it will be underscore. So you will understand all these things. Okay, later. Now we will have to write the one method to generate all the keypad. Okay, so as of now it's gone because we have removed all the content. So we need to generate the keypad like ABCD up to XYZ. So generate keypad. So it will return, and we need to type all the letters. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay. So I have written all the alphabets up to Z. Okay. Now split map letter, and we are going to display the in the form of button. Okay. So it will be having a letter. The key will be obviously here we can give letter because each letter is unique. Value letter on click this dot handle game. We have to write this method and disable. So if user gets the correct letter, then we have to disable that button. Okay, this not, and don't worry if the same letter exists more than one in a word, then all letter will get printed. Okay, so it's not like if A is repeating. So if A is repeating, then it will fill all the guesses with the A. Okay, so you hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, so we have generated the keypad. We have write this handler. Okay, now we have to write this handle guess. And handle guess, like it will receive an event because we are using handle guess here. So here it will receive an event. So let letter is equal to event dot target dot value, and we are going to set the state. So we have to set the state like this way. Guessed st dot guess dot add letter and number of wrong st dot guessed not guessed st dot number of wrong st dot answer dot includes letter. So if the letter is include, then 0. So else we are going to increase the number of wrong count. Okay, so this is the logic for guessing. Okay, now we have to define the render method here. So inside the render we will having a return. So return we will write later. Okay, so we will be having game over. So this dot state dot number of wrong is equal to this dot props dot max wrong. Okay, so obviously if it's increased or equal to, then we have to declare the game is over. Now user will be winner when this dot guess word. So here we have split. Now we have to join the word. Okay, is equal to this dot. So if it's equal to this dot state dot answer, then we are going to declare the winner. Okay, now we'll have a game state here. So this dot generate keypad. Now if is winner, so if is winner, then game state will be like congrats, you have won the game. Okay, you have won the game. Little bit bigger I'm giving the message here, and the same will goes for loser. Okay, so for loser, not loser like if it's the game over. So for game over, like we are going to give the message better luck, sorry, better luck next time. So now come to return. So in return we'll be having a div of class name hangman h2 hangman. So we have given the heading image tag, we have to use source. So the image are in the default props, so we are going to access through this dot props dot image, and the image will change. So if user is giving the wrong answer, okay, so like this way the image will get changed. Okay, and alternate we have to give, so I just giving hangman. Okay, now we'll be having a guess. Okay, so how many guests left? Okay, so guess left, this dot props dot number of this dot props dot max wrong. Okay, max wrong minus this dot state dot number of wrong and this dot props dot max wrong. Okay, so this will show the how many guests are left. Okay, then we have to use one more p tag, so I'm giving the heading like guest the programming language. Okay, now we will have to show that guess word here. Okay, so class name I'll be using hangman word, and I will use like if game is not over, so user will keep guessing, else this the state dot answer. Okay, now we'll have to show the button here, so class name hangman btns and the game state. Now we'll have to write one logic, so let restart. So in order to restart, either user is going to win the game or it's going to be game over. So in both cases I want to the game start. Okay, so that's why I have given game over or is winner. In both cases the game will have option to restart. Okay, so I will use that restart, and I will give ID reset and on click this dot reset, and the button name will be like, do you want to restart? So that's why we have a question mark. Okay, so let's see everything is correct, and we have to bind the event handle guess and the reset in the constructor. So let's bind those functions. So this dot handle guess is equal to this dot handle guess dot bind this dot reset, this dot reset dot bind. So let's go to the app file. Okay, and import the file here. Sorry, not React is already import. So hangman from hangman. Okay, and I will paste it here. Okay, so let's see the result in the browser. We got some issue with the button, no problem. So might be some class name is missing here. So let's see where is the mistake is happening. So it's fine here also, it's fine. Let me check what is the issue. Okay, let's reload. Okay, so this style is not applying. I think in the style I haven't imported the file. Okay, so let's import the file hangman.css. Okay, let's see. Now all the styling is applying, but this is not coming. Okay, so let's come over here. Something issue with this approach, so we have to write this way actually. Okay, so let's see now. Okay, let's get the word. So I'm guessing Python. No, what could be MATLAB? Okay, so no, MATLAB is not. So what could be the MySQL? I guess MySQL. Yep, now we got the message. Congrats, we have won the game. Let's lose the game intensely. This is XML, I know, but I wanted to see the negative result as well. So our guess is 0. We don't have any guesses left, and we got the message better luck next time, and we have got the option to restart, and the structure is also getting changed. So the guy is hanged now if all the guesses you have made wrong. So I hope you understand this hangman game, how you can build this hangman game in a React.js. So I will provide all the resource related to this project in the GitHub, so you can check the link in the description. I will provide the link. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Bye bye, and subscribe the channel as well.